Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to eat fried rice. So I'm just clean up in my freezer. I'm just find this is frozen milk, so I'm gonna use to my fried rice. Mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and erini mushroom. I like bacon, so it's egg and lettuce. So cooked rice, I'm always freezed in my freezer. So heating up a microwave oven, I'm using. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm gonna show you shiitake. If you make fried rice, first step, so you have to make scrambled egg first. Okay. I'm gonna use negi oil. I'm just making. The long leek, green side, and garlic and ginger a little bit, and also bay leaf, just heating up, little burning. It's making negi oil. I was use salad oil. It's a long leek flavored oil I'm using like this, and turn on the switch. I use scrambled egg. I like garlic flavor. Switch high flame. Bacon. Shokoshu, Chinese sake, a little little bit. Hot cooked rice and just heating up and microwave oven, hot one. You must use a hot one. Always high flame. Okay. Pepper. Shiro dashi white soy sauce. You need to like taste a little bit. Flavor. Lettuce. Little cheese again with lettuce. Yummy, perfect. Okay, let's start to eat. Lettuce, chahan, inside milk and bacon and mushroom, eringi and shiitake. いただきます。So tasty. The milk is really crunchy texture. Good flavor. I like it. I think fried rice is any kind food item you can get some nice combination. Your original recipe you can make it. But basic recipes are all the same, so you better make scrambled egg first. Then you must use hot cooked rice. Okay, it's easy to make. You better try to make in your home. So Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.